Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Arbitrum to Trust Wallet. It is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. First of all, you need to come to your Trust Wallet app and then log in into it if you haven't already. Afterwards, you just have to tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen and use the search bar. In the search bar, you need to search for Arbitrum, which is ETH Arbitrum. So if you are able to find it, then you just have to simply turn the toggle button on right next to it. Once it is green, it simply means that you have successfully added Arbitrum to the Trust wallet. Now, if you tap on Arbitrum, you will be able to see various types of options associated with it, like send, receive, swap, buy, and sell. So you can use all of these options on the Trust wallet with Arbitrum. Like you can send Arbitrum to any other exchanges, you can receive it from any other wallets, you can swap it with another coin, you can buy and sell it directly on the Trust wallet as well. So if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.